this video, I am going to show you how to install GNS3 VM and GNS3 software in your PC. First, let me explain briefly about the GNS3 VM. It's actually GNS3 server, is known as GNS VM also it is called. It's store and run on all the virtual devices. You can install the GNS3 server directly in your local system as an application, or you can create a virtual machine and install GNS3 server on it. So this is the main purpose of GNS3 VM. So okay, let me show you first how to install the GNS3. First, open your browser and search GNS3 VM workstation. Okay, so there you can see GNS3 VM. So click this link. Oh, sorry, not this one. Software GNS3. Okay, so here you can see VMware workstation and Fusion. Just click here to download the software. So it start downloading. It's around 1 GB is there. Okay, wait for some time. It will get download. Meanwhile, we can download GNS3 application as well. Okay, so for that, just search in the Google GNS3. There you can see free download. Okay, click that one. And I'm using the Windows, as you can see, so I'm downloading the Windows version. Just click download. So it started downloading. Okay, so both are downloading right now. Please wait for some time. Thank you for downloading. Okay, fine. So wait for some time. It's around. Okay. Okay guys, it's complete the downloading. Now just open the file. So I extract the file first. Hope you all aware of this VMware. I'm using here VMware to extract the file. Okay, same location, it's fine. So started extracting. So I'm using here VMware application to extract. So you can use the same one or any other one also is fine. So it's downloaded a VMware workstation. Open the file. So you have to make sure you already installed VMware workstation. If you didn't install VMware workstation, you can check my previous video how to install the VMware workstation. Okay, so just double click and open VMware. So give the name for your virtual machine VM. So I'm giving here GNS3 space VM. Okay, import. So it started importing. Please wait for some time. It's importing the GNS3 features. Okay. As it's completed, so you can power on the virtual machine now. So it will virtualization initial video. Okay. Yes. Okay, there is an error happen. So okay, I will show you guys how to rid of this error. Go to edit virtual machine. Okay, so let me check again what was the error is came at. Virtualization initial VT is not supported on the platform. Continue without virtualization. Okay, virtualize VMware workstation does not support instead of virtualization on the host. Okay, it's fine. So just edit the file. You can add up the RAM up to 8 GB. I'm using here 8 GB. It's fine for me. And the processor, I will make it number of processors 2. It's fine. Disk is fine, and virtual VTP virtualization ID is disabled. Okay, fine. So click OK. So see again, we can run the file. Yeah, it's working fine. So GNS3 VM is completed and it's loading right now. for some time. So meanwhile we can install GNS3 as well. Okay, so go to my downloads again, GNS3 all-in-one regular. Click here to continue. Next. Okay, agree. GNS3. Okay, fine. GNS3 desktop. Okay, GNS3 desktop and install. Okay. So it started extracting the file. Wait for some time. And let me check here what is the status. Okay, it's done. Okay, fine. So GNS3 also installing. Fine. Wait for some time. You need to agree. If you accept it, you must accept it. So I don't want to install this one. Cancel it. Do you want to cancel? Okay, yes. I don't want to install that one. So it's showing around 8 minutes remaining. Let's wait for some time. Take a tea break. Okay. And one more thing, guys, you should have to make sure you downloaded both that same version. Okay, so workstation 2.2.41 and GNS3 as well, you can see 2.2.41. okay, please make sure that when both are installed. So let's wait for some time. Okay guys, the installation is done. So it came some solar putty. Okay, I don't want this one. Cancel it. Okay, setup was completed successfully. Click next. No, I don't want to install any other software. Okay, start GNS3. Okay, finish it. Okay, just so this application is open. As you can see, once it is open, okay, the setup is done. Okay, now we can run our VMware virtual machine GNS3. Okay, so it starts running. So on the desktop, it's okay, we can close here. We have to setup wizard, open setup wizard settings. Okay, run application a virtual machine. Okay, click next. So program localhost. Okay, no need to do any changes. Click next again. So connection to the click next again. So VMware VirtualBox. So I changing the core settings here. I can give 4, which it's fine for my purpose. Okay, RAM size as given here, and I'm changing to 8 GB RAM, 8192. Okay, click next. Finish. So it's adding the VM. So okay, it's finished, done. So the option is came here. GNS3, yeah, it's connected now. GNS3 VM. So the installation is completed and it's linked with GNS3 VM. I forgot to explain you that. So just go to tools, not tools, actually go to help. Go to, sorry, in edit, go to preference. Okay, as you can see here, GNS3 VM, enable GNS3 VM, allocate you, stop GNS3 VM. Okay, so all the settings are here, you can see. If you want to do any port changes or something, you can do here. Again, if you want to do any ditching, you can do. So okay, that's it guys, that's it for the video.